Okay, got the entire axle disassembled finally. Got the knuckles off, carrier, pinion, steering stabilizer bracket on the axle side. I think I'll weld that to the axle when I put it all back together. We'll see. So yeah, got everything all pulled off, and here is an absolute mess. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I've got chunks of the pinion gear out there. Tons of crap. So I got the axle shaft all pulled out. Looks like this seal was going bad. It's got some crap inside of there. This side too. So we'll replace both of those. Here's probably why the guy sold it. Even though I bought it full knowing this thing was toast. But don't look too bad right now. Oh yeah. Quick little lesson here. This gets drilled and tapped in a couple different locations to accommodate the steering arm that I showed in the other video. This one is the passenger side, and it is not milled or drilled yet. So I got a buddy of mine that does it locally. Pretty good deal. A couple holes drilled in it, threaded for my new studs. And just got to pull that off, and the carrier on the other axle, and we'll be good to go. Not bad for a day's work, off and on. I was actually rather surprised at the condition of the axle shafts. A little dirty right now, but clean it all up and we'll be good to go. So even with all that damage in the carrier, axle shafts were good. I've got one passenger's, or not the driver's side, axle shaft just in the rear vent that I decided to blow that out. Nice and clean. I was really worried that those axle shafts were going to be completely done. Oh yeah, so I couldn't actually get that torn apart. For some reason I can't find my channel locks or my large vice grips. So a little bit of cleaning and I might track those down so I can actually get that steering arm off. I think I'm going to spend a couple minutes and cut these brackets off really quick. That way I have a nice clean axle. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below or subscribe to see what the next segment holds.